how to use Find My iPhone with family or friends. So let's get started. First thing first, you'll have to open the Settings app on your mobile device. Once inside the Settings app, simply tap on Privacy and Security. Inside Privacy and Security, tap on Location Services and make sure that your location is toggled on. After that, all you have to do is tap on the Share My Location option available there and make sure the Find My iPhone is on option. If it is in off, then make sure to toggle it on. Then scroll down and tap on the System Services in the bottom. Then again scroll down and tap on the Significant Locations and make sure to toggle it on. After you do that, all you have to do is go back to the Find My iPhone app in your iPhone. And once inside it, all you have to do is tap on the plus icon available there right next to the devices. After you tap on the plus icon, a drop down menu will appear. From there, tap on the Share My Location option available there and simply share your location. Tap on the contacts you want to share your location of your family and friends and it will automatically be shared. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.